Email list best practices. If you want to create an email list in the fastest possible time that will be responsive and make you money, then you need to follow these 8 best practices. Many people make mistakes with list building, and if you follow these best practices, you can avoid these. 1. Understand why you need an email list. Building an email list from scratch will take time, and you will need to be consistent with your efforts. In order to keep your motivation levels high, it is important that you understand the major benefits of list building. Having an email list means you can get visitors to return to your website, and you will be creating an asset. Email marketing is not dead, despite what you may have heard. It is still the best way to communicate with your audience. Take advantage of the personal power of emails, and you are always in control when you have a list. You can build trust with email marketing and make a lot of money from it too. 2. Set up properly for list building. You must be set up properly for list building. Decide on your niche and create your own website around this if you don't have one. Choose a good autoresponder service such as Aweber or GetResponse, and create professional-looking squeeze pages and landing pages to entice your visitors to join your list. Create an enticing free incentive that people will want in exchange for their email address. Plan your email content and load a sequence into your autoresponder. Be sure to provide value with your email messages. Never buy an email list. 3. Create high-converting squeeze pages. Use a squeeze page builder tool to create a professional page that will convert well. Ensure that your page contains the major benefits of your free incentive. Create an opt-in form from your autoresponder service and add this to your page. Add an image of your incentive and ensure that you comply with all legal requirements. 4. Create an enticing incentive. You need to create an incentive that your audience wants. Make sure that it provides a lot of value. Use an enticing title for your incentive. Decide whether you're going to provide a document in PDF format, a video, or some other type of incentive. Have an enticing image created for your incentive. Look on Fiverr.com for good designers. 5. Get your subscribers to trust you fast. It is not difficult to get your email subscribers to trust you. Prove right from the start that you are an authority in your niche. Always be honest with your email subscribers and provide them with an escape hatch. When your email subscribers trust you, they will be far more likely to purchase things you recommend. 6. Create engaging email content. When you engage your email subscribers, you will get the best results. Use subject lines that stand out from the rest. Personalize your emails by using the first name of the subscriber. Tell stories in your emails and add value. Keep your emails as simple as possible and add cliffhangers at the end of each message to encourage opening of your next email. 7. Free traffic list building. There are many free traffic methods that you can use to build your list. Always promote your squeeze page on your website and SEO optimize your pages. Add the URL for your squeeze page in your Instagram bio and pinned tweet on Twitter. Create a Facebook page and add a CTA to it. Use YouTube for video marketing and Pinterest for free traffic. Take advantage of giveaways. 8. Paid traffic list building. Take the long-term view with paid traffic. You can test your landing pages with PPC ads and use this to drive traffic. Social media ads can be very cost-effective, as can native ads. If there are solo ad sellers in your niche, then identify those with a good track record and give these a try.